And if you give these values, then you can easily feel freely create a node. Node is a node representing a broadcasting server, and you can ask to do that the particular conventional things to the particular node. Node is the processing unit. Um, One more thing, when you are adding the cluster the cluster means a group of nodes and representing what kinds of thing it means. It is behave like a one node, acting as a one group, acting as a one unit. So you cannot use the mixing security for this one. What do you mean by the mixing security? The security is basically in the transport layer. We are considering which kinds of security. Hey guys, transport layer. Okay, session based security. What are the session related security? SSL, TSL. So if you use in the TSS, you can't use the TSL version, different versions with one cluster, and you cannot have SSL, the secured socket and non-secured combination with the cluster as well. Yes, there are 50. I think for a cluster it could be 50. Please check by yourself. There are limitations. Actually, to make the cluster, you should have at least one node, and you can add multiple add work nodes to the cluster uh, through the conductor. Conductor will help you to add in more clusters to the environment. So more nodes to the cluster. I'm sorry. Uh, I give the question so you know what is the answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? How many of you I say yes? Okay, you say. And okay, how many of you say no? Only you. Yes, the answer is no. You can't have the mix things. Okay, creating the profile also they are providing a fancy UI, so you can by selecting these kinds of things you can create in the profile. The creating profile means in here we have to show the input stream and input stream, whether it could be a file. Can you see this one? It can be a file, it can be a, those are the different things. Then the network input, network file, maybe there are certain number of different resources to be, and then you have to show what are the conventions that you have to use, and what are the output stream type and output stream resolution, quality, and all of these things you have to define in here. Okay. Yes, before you are adding the channel, you should have the nodes and the profile. I think it is mutually exclusive. You no need to worry about the node and the profile, because node is a computer. The profile is what you are looking for as output. What you're looking for. Okay. So it is mutually exclusive. I will say how it's become interrelated in next slide. Creating the channel. Okay, the creating the channel means the channel have an input stream and the output stream. It is defined in where? It is defined in, yes, exactly. It is defined in the profile. And the output stream quality, it is also defining in the channel, sorry, profile. And also where it is executing, who is responsible to making do the processing. No, channel cannot do the processing.